Driving along, saw a cliff. That's a pretty big fall, I could break a rib. And if I drove off, I could start again, but I won't. Side of the road, stretch my neck. It's so cold outside, I could see my breath. And if I slept here, I would catch my death, but I won't. Instead I stare at my screen, wallpaper still you and me. It's been a month and 2 weeks, yeah, I've been counting the days. Nowhere to hide, no matter how far I drive. If I'm dead or alive, I can't seem to escape. I'm just stuck on you. There ain't nothing I can do. I'm just stuck on you. There ain't nothing I can do. Yeah. I'm sleeping alone, head on fire. I keep the TV on just to occupy, cause I get too bored, can't control my mind. And then I'm scared, I'm holding my breath, making it last, running on feelings that are both from the past. When you were so close, wish I could go back, but I can't. So I just stare at my screen, wallpaper still you and me. It's been 4 months and a week, yeah, I've been counting the days. Nowhere to hide, no matter how far I drive. If I'm dead or alive, I can't seem to escape. I'm just stuck on you. There ain't nothing I can do. I'm just stuck on you. There ain't nothing I can do. Yeah. I slept with new people, I muted your gram. I focus on friendships cause I hope they would last. I stay home on weekends to process the past. Supposed to be angry, but that's not the vibe. I miss you like crazy, but I know we went right. I try to stay hopeful, but I'm lonely at night. I'm just stuck on you. I'm just stuck on you. Yeah. There ain't nothing I can